Hello there, this is Tiaturi, your ESL auntie, and in this video, I am going to share with you all the ESL companies that you can try if you're a beginner and let's say undergrad or college graduate or meron ng trabaho pero gusto ng side hustle, gusto ng flexible schedule like open, set your own schedule talaga, set your own working hours, mga ganon. So itong mga companies na i-share ko, most of them, they do have flexible schedule. Ikaw ang magsiset ng time na gusto mo if once a week lang, every day, evenings lang, or early mornings lang. If gusto mo ng, let's say, early morning classes, you'll do 2 to 3 classes in the morning before you go to work, or one class every night, mga ganon. So these companies, these are perfect for those who are looking for a company na flexible talaga ang schedule, as in hawak mo ang time mo. Okay, so let's start with Rare Job. This is my very first company. I started here. So ito po yung website. I have my link still. I'm not sure if it still works because I'm not working for this company anymore. So anyway, dito ako nagsimula. I started in 2020 yata or 2021. So very reliable din itong company na to sa sweldo. Walang late. So pwede kang magsweldo twice a month. Medyo mababa ang rate, pero okay lang kasi flexible naman, hindi ka mape-pressure. Proceed tayo agad sa second company. Nandito, active ako dito sa company na to, second company. So, um, you can try this as well. Ingo, for me, feeling ko mas magtatagal ako sa Ingo kasi sa company na to, walang micromanaging, walang walang TL, walang boss, as in you can be so independent, so hindi ka maiilang while working here. And students are so polite. I think mas polite talaga. Hindi ko alam kung anong klaseng mga Japanese I think kasi based sa experience ko, yung mga students sa Rare Job and Japanese students sa Rare Job and Japanese students sa Ingo, parang mas forgiving ang mga students sa Ingo. Sa Rare Job, okay naman, maraming naman din ang polite, pero sa mga rules, mas um, mas bet ko ang mga students sa Ingo. Sa third company naman, pwede din ang 18. Let me see if okay sa kanila ang 18 years old. I think hindi. Okay lang ang undergraduate basta may working experience sa business field. I think if Uh, if graduate naman, 23 to 75 years old. Okay, so share nyo din ito sa mga aunties and lolas and yung mga retired teachers, mga ganon, at gustong merong work from home, so they still accept until 75 years old. But ang ganda, try ko din itong Bizmate. So, what's next? We have Glads. This is also good for beginners. So this is the website. Just click on apply now. Meron silang office space sa Cebu, pwede din work from home teachers. So check this company as well. Sun-K, okay then, good for beginners. I think they accept at least 18 years old. Let's see. Requirements, at least college level, fresh grads, pwede siya, male and female, at least 18. So, go na. As in, marami talaga. You don't have to kanang you don't have to do job hopping. Like I know marami kasing like it's been a year now or more than a year wala pa ring nakikita ang work. So maybe you can try online work while waiting doon sa gusto mo ka. Nakaka um makalingaw raman unsa may Tagalog okay okay naman makalingaw. Nakakatuwa. Ano bang Tagalog ng makalingaw? Anyway, you can try another company, Native Camp, pwede din ito. I think they accept at least 18. 'Di ba? At least 18 din. So, Biblio, another company, at least 18 din ang requirements. As in, you can try basta merong headset. Um, they're not very specific. Oh, I see and above pala. Pero sa the rest, I think they're not very specific with the specs. And okay lang din ito. Plain background, good lighting, no background noises. So make sure you have your headset and plain background. So wag itong sexy, hindi ito pwede. It's better if colored shirt or like t-shirt tapos formal looking. So ayun lang. It's a very short video. So hopefully you will share this with your families and friends or no, please to share sa inyong social media, um, sa TikTok, sa Facebook. Share this information. Baka swertihin sila. And if makapasok kayo, please leave a comment if nakapasok kayo or if you're already working for these companies, please share your experiences as well. Thank you so much for staying with me. Bye.